Hi everyone, I'm Henry. Today I'll be showing Aura as an Argo CD deployment guardian. This demo starts with a failed Argo CD deployment. Argo will send a short failure report to Aura through the agent-to-agent protocol. Aura will inspect Argo and Kubernetes, fix the cause within the limits we set, and check that the deployment recovers. I will then open Phoenix to show each model turn and tool call via Aura traces. On your screen you'll see that the Argo CD application is healthy and synced. Before each deployment, a pre-sync hook checks a version value. If that check fails, a sync fail hook tells Aura that the deployment failed. Let's hop over to the Aura config. Aura can use two MCP servers. The Argo MCP lets Aura inspect this application and start a sync. The Kubernetes MCP lets Aura inspect the demo namespace, but Aura can only change one named config map. The Aura prompt defines how to investigate and recover. The hook sends only the symptom. Now let's kick off the demo. The script resets the application to a known good state. It then sets a deployment contract to version 1 and starts an Argo sync. Argo ran the validation job. The job expected version 2, found version 1 and failed. That failure hook started the sync fail hook. The failure hook sent Aura this short message. Argo CD reports that application Aura sync fail demo failed during deployment validation. The deployment did not complete successfully. The hook also added a unique incident ID. It did not tell Aura how to investigate or what to change. Aura accepted the task to the agent-to-agent protocol so the hook could exit while Aura continued. Now this all happened very quickly, but Aura checked the Argo operations and the hook logs. It compared the evidence with the live Kubernetes state. The evidence confirmed the version mismatch, and Aura was able to update the named config map. It then requested one more Argo sync. Aura found the old version in the deployment contract and changed it from 1 to 2. Then asked Argo to sync again. The pre-sync check passed, and the application returned to a synced and healthy state. The final checks also confirmed that Aura has no wide or write access. Let's hop over to Phoenix. This trace records the same Aura run. It shows the investigation, each model turn, and each MCP tool call. These tool spans record only changes Aura made, one config map update, and one Argo sync request. Each span includes the request and the result. We can inspect what Aura did instead of relying on its final answer. In closing, Argo sent Aura a short failure report through the agent-to-agent protocol. Aura found the cause, fixed it within the limits we set, retried the deployment, and checked the result. Phoenix gives us a record of every model turn and tool call. Thanks for watching.